2023 Ram 3500. With less than 58,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auto-dimming rear view mirror, auxiliary input. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.